Hi now friends, it's Merida and welcome back to Corgi's Wine and Nails. I do have a corgi named Ryder who is running around barking and making noise during my videos. We also have a little sippy of wine. And then today, Pine Gel Polish reached out to see if I would do a review. So I'm going to try this 12-piece kit. It comes with 12 polishes and I'll open it up here and show you. Underneath here, it's extra padded when it arrives. Everything comes super secure in their branded box. And then there are 9 colors in this kit. There's additional kits that have different options that I noticed on their Amazon site. So these seem to be very fall-oriented colors. And then it came with the matte gel, the base gel, and the glossy top coat, which I thought was really great because you have everything you need to get started with a great gel mani. So let's check out the bottles. These are 7.5 milliliter bottles. Typically standard gels are 15, so these are just a little bit petite. But I did like on the back that they have their ingredients listed and they also have instructions. So I do follow a different way to apply gel based on how I have cure times with my lamp. So definitely experiment, follow the instructions, or you do what you know works best with you and your lamp. It also comes with detailed instructions along with pictures, which I thought was great. It comes with both general gel nail polish and cat eye gel polish. So hopefully one day I'll try out their gel cat eye because I love a cat eye. But on the back here, they also have some tips and tricks and just helpful information. So all of that came nicely packaged together for a reference sheet. And here are all of the 9 colors swatched. In the middle there, that matte swatch is actually P124. I wanted to try out the matte gel top coat and I just picked a random color and I love how that turned out. I was also nicely surprised that P123 was a red jelly. So I'm gonna try that one next, I think. But here's a close-up picture of the P124 as a matte, and here is the pairing I decided to do today. You guys, so one thing I thought was hilarious on the box here, it says pine scent, and so I sure did huff a bunch of these gels to try to decide if it smells like pine or not. I don't really think it does. I just think it smells like normal nail polish actually, which is a little bit better than that burnt rubber smell that some gels have. So we're gonna get started. I'm going to apply the gel base. I'm gonna use these 2 colors, P124 and P130. And I do have my nails already prepped. I wear a layer of builder gel over my natural nails to help keep them strong. And then I also use a coat of UNT peel base, which is what I'm moving out of the way here to get started. And then first impressions. I did like that this brush fans out really nicely. You can get very close to your cuticle area, and then it also covers the nail bed really well. So I thought that even though these bottles are smaller size, they're 7.5 milliliters, I believe I shared with you. I do think that the brush is not petite, like it's a good standard size brush and very easy to work with. So I just apply the base to all 5 nails and then I will cure in my 50-watt lamp for 30 seconds. And now it's time for this color. It's P124 and I just loved it. It's kind of like I explained a dusty mauve, but like a wine toned, I don't know, just a really good fall color. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that to all 5 nails. I thought that this color had really great coverage in one coat, so I was really impressed with the coverage. So this little doohickey is called a silicone nail tool. The one I have here that's sparkly and pink and cute is from Triple D, one of my favorite dip brands. But I just like to run it along the sides and the cuticle walls of my nails, and it helps make a really nice clean look to get any gel off of my skin before I cure it in my lamp. So as I was applying this golden champagne color, I decided I'm obsessed with it. I love it. It's so metallic and shimmery and shiny. So I definitely want to wear it again for Christmas and New Year's looks. I just cured for 30 seconds in my 50-watt lamp, and now we are going to apply the second layer, and I'll do the same thing. Once I'm done applying all 5 fingers, I'll go ahead and do another 30-second cure for this. I do still love the consistency of the gel here. I think everything's going on very nice and smooth, very easy to use, and I do like the brush. And I like that there's a lot of color options that come in this little kit. So 9 colors, and then the basics was a really good deal. This is on sale at the moment that I'm making this video for under $18 for all of the 12 products that come in the box. And I think it normally sells for about $30, but just check out the link. I'll leave it in the description box below, and if you're interested, it's a good way to add a bunch of colors to your collection. And now it's time for the top coats. So I wanted to try both. So I decided I would do glossy over this gorgeous golden color, and then I will use the matte top coat over that kind of wine colored dusty mauve. And I think it gave a really great look. So stay tuned and I'll show you here very shortly. I cured for 90 seconds in my lamp for the final coat. So here are the final results, and I think everything turned out really great. On the matte, I did notice on my thumb a little bit of streaking, like I could see the brush strokes just a little bit for the matte gel, but on the other 2 fingers, they turned out really good, and I just really love that gold color. I think you can get some really amazing combinations with the cute colors that came in this kit. I know they have other kits with different color options. So everything seems to be pretty affordable. Definitely would recommend. And I like that it came with both the glossy and the matte top coat. So you can just try and experiment, make some really fun looks. Sorry I'm holding my hand so weird here. I don't know why or what I'm doing, but I'll leave a picture here if you'd like to get a better look at the final results. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, leave me a comment below if you'd like to see some new videos, and I'll talk to you soon. Love you now, friends.